All right, this is the 13th of March, and we're going to give you a quick update on 541. This is our phase one work. So we have got phase one splice on the left. We've got it prepped, as you can see. Had to do some small adjustments with the planer here. We've got the vertical that was burned replaced, and we've got it temporary. This diagonal is in place and it is ready for its final connections. We have this vertical temporary for right now. We've got this in line. We are going to make the adjustments for the splice per the drawing 8, and we have the shoring coming up. You can see right there, that line right there is where our splice is going to be. And you can see our burns. So we'll be working on our scabs, and we'll be working on getting the shoring up underneath us. We're gonna go back to this area right here underneath. As you can see, that little place right there, that's one of the horizontals and the verticals coming down. We're going to be in between these two. Woo, that's an ugly finger. We're going to put our shoring right up in between that. It's going to connect off of that. So we'll be able to carry 3 load points right here as we take care of this and get out of this area that's been damaged. This area is okay, but when we cut them, the far end, since we have more of the failure, we're going to actually add another section of shoring onto that first set, and then we are going to jack those 3 up 2 3/4 inches and get this main section of truss back up and somewhat in line with what we have to do. And from that point on, man, I mean, that's what we're doing. So hopefully by this time next week, we'll have the new bolts in place, we'll have the shoring in place, and we'll have everything pushed up and in place. And we'll be looking at splice number 1 getting completed and working on phase 2 materials.